Adelaide wants to buy a skateboard and is on sale for 20% off. That is 80% on. The price of the skateboard is $80. Have to pay sales tax after the 20% discount is taken. Okay, so I'm going to find the sale price. So it's 80 times 0.8 is going to be the sale price. And that is $64. And then I'm going to take the 64 and pay tax on it. That gives me the 64. That gives me the percentage. And so I am going to multiply 64 times 0.075. So the total is 68.80 cents and a dollar sign. Okay, Rihanna will take out a loan for $5,000. Complete the table for different loan lengths and interest rates. We're going to do simple. Okay? So this is I equals PRT. So we're going to do 5,000 times 0.06 times 2. 5,000 times 0.06 times 2 is 600. And so total cost is 5,600. If I do it for 2.5, I'm going to put 0.0635 here and a 2 here, and this is going to drop down. 5,000 times 0.0635 times 2 is 2.5. Tried to do it quicker and messed up some numbers. 5,000 times 0.0635 times 2.5 is 793.75 in interest. So that's $5,793.75. And now we're going to do 5,000 times 0.065 times 3. Whew! Longer loans, higher interest rate. Man, it's getting more expensive. 5,000 times 0.065 times 3 is 975. It's $5,975. Whew! Only I almost have to pay $1,000 in 3 years. Oy. That's times 0.0675 times 3.5 times the 5,000. That's over $1,000. Whew, don't want to be paying that. So that's $6,181.25. Ooh, they're getting expensive. It's 5,000 times 0.06875 times 4 equals 5,000 times 6.8. Woo. That's $1,375. Wow. That's $63.75. Whew, wow, that's a lot of money. If I just had the 5,000, that'd be better. Explain the average of disadvantages for each payment method. Oh, so I'm going to have to compare. credit card to purchase shoes online, $987.05, and she has $85 in her checking account. Okay. Well, let's see. Credit card purchase. She will use her credit card to purchase shoes online. Use credit card. Then in long term, 98.75 will be more expensive because she will have to pay interest. 2000, Florida's population was this. In 2008, population was estimated to be that. Determine the percent increase. So I go from 15.9 to 18.8 over the original of 15.9. Okay. And 18.8 minus 15.9, 2.9 over 15.9, 18.24%. So it's the change over the original. Apartment complex, 35% of the apartments have one bedroom. If there are 49 one-bedroom apartments, what's the total number of? %35 of X equals 49. Or 49 over X equals 35 over 100. Two different ways to do it. 4,900 divided by 35, 140 apartments. And I can check that out by going 140 times 0.35 and right back to 49. So I can always check that. So what I did is, to check it, I do 140, 35% of 140 is, and it's 49, and it goes right back. So I always do them frontwards and then backwards. And that's part 3, and there's still more to come on your review.